Hydraulics and Geotechnical Engineering. Definition of terms. 21. Which of the following methods is most accurate for the determination of the water content of soil? A. Oven drying method. B. Sand bath method. C. Calcium carbide method. D. Pycnometer method. A. Oven drying method. 22. A triaxial shear test is preferred to direct shear test because A. It can be performed under all three drainage conditions with complete control. B. Precise measurement of pore pressure and change in volume during test is not possible. C. Stress distribution on the failure plane is non-uniform. D. None of these. A. IT can be performed under all three drainage conditions with complete control. 23. Contact pressure beneath a rigid footing resting on cohesive soil is A. Less at edges compared to middle. B. More at edges compared to middle. C. Uniform throughout. D. None of the above. B. More at edges compared to middle. 24. Selecting the incorrect statement. Effective angle of shearing resistance. A. Increase as the size of particles increases. B. Increases as the soil gradation improves. C. Is limited to a maximum value of 45 degrees. D. Is rarely more than 30 degrees for fine-grained soil. C. Is limited to a maximum value of 45 degrees. 25. Which of the following methods is best suited for determination of permeability of coarse-grained soil? A. Constant head method. B. Falling head method. C. Both the above. D. None of the above. A. Constant head method. 26. If the sand in situ is in its densest state, then the relative density of sand is A. 0. B. 1. C. Between 0 and 1. D. Greater than 1. B. 1. 27. Coefficient of earth pressure at rest is A. Less than active earth pressure but greater than passive earth pressure. B. Greater than active earth pressure but less than passive earth pressure. C. Greater than both the active earth pressure and passive earth pressure. D. Less than both the active and passive earth pressures. B. Greater than active earth pressure but less than passive earth pressure. 28. When the plastic limit of a soil is greater than the liquid limit, then the plasticity index is reported as A. Negative. B. 0. C. Non-plastic. and P. D. 1. B. 0. 29. Voids ratio of a soil mass can A. Never be greater than unity. B. Be 0. C. Take any value greater than 0. D. Take values between 0 and 1 only. C. Take any value greater than 0. 30. Effective stress is A. The stress at particle contact. B. A physical parameter that can be measured. C. Important because it is a function of engineering properties of soil. D. All of the above. C. Important because it is a function of engineering properties of soil. 31. According to Atterberg, the soil is said to be of medium plasticity if the plasticity index, pi, is A. 0, pi, 7b, 7c, 17d, a pi greater than 27. B. 7. 32. Which of the following is a measure of particle size range? A. Effective size. B. Uniformity coefficient. C. Coefficient of curvature. D. None of the above. B. Uniformity coefficient. 33. Sand particles are made of A. Rock minerals. B. Kaolinite. C. Illite. D. Montmorillonite. A. Rock minerals. 34. Uniformity coefficient of a soil is A. Always less than 1. B. Always equal to 1. C. Equal to or less than 1. D. Equal to or greater than 1. D. Equal to or greater than 1. 35. Coefficient of consolidation of a soil is affected by A. Compressibility. B. Permeability. C. Both compressibility and permeability. D. None of the above. C. Both compressibility and permeability. 36. The ratio volume of voids to the total volume of soil mass is called A. Air content. B. Porosity. C. Percentage air voids. D. Voids ratio. B. Porosity. 37. The angle that Coulomb's failure envelope makes with the horizontal is called A. Cohesion. B. Angle of internal friction. C. Angle of repose. D. None of the above. B. Angle of internal friction. 38. Which one of the following clays behaves like a dense sand? A. Overconsolidated clay with a high overconsolidation ratio. B. Overconsolidated clay with a low overconsolidation ratio. C. Normally consolidated clay. D. Underconsolidated clay. A. Overconsolidated clay with a high overconsolidation ratio. 39. Which of the following soils has more plasticity index? A. Sand. B. Silt. C. Clay. D. Gravel. C. Clay. 40. Coefficient of permeability of soil. A. Does not depend upon temperature. B. Increases with the increase in temperature. C. Increases with the decrease in temperature. D. None of the above. B. Increases with the increase in temperature.